What's up, everybody? It's Jake here. I'm at the Short Line Trail. The Spring Grove section is next to Spring Grove Hospital Center, which has some really cool buildings. You can't go in them or anything, but you can drive around, check them out. Some of them are being used, some are abandoned, but they're all pretty neat looking. But I'm going to take you guys on this little trail. We're going to see what we can find here. This is the Catonsville Short Line Railroad. I think it's distance of about 3.5 miles, and I don't know exactly when they stopped using it. It started in 1882. I don't know, operations began. It was used up to the 1970s, but there's my car parked right there, and you can tell that it used to cross the road right here where that little fence that goes into somebody's property, so I guess they don't want people going that way. We're going to just walk this way because I want to see what's over here. I don't know if anything's cool or whatnot, but I like the fact that it's right next to the old Spring Grove Hospital, which they do have a museum. It closes at 4. We're going to probably have to check that out one day. Let's walk this. I don't know how long this little trail is. I'll keep the video going until I get to that. Let's see. Yep, there's a little squirrel. Mr. Squirrel, what are you doing? Crazy guy. Crazy. Crazy. Whoa, he's doing little tricks. Oh, he scratched himself. Oh God, he's coming at me. He's crazy. I'm gonna keep going before he attacks me. Somebody left trash here. Don't do that, people. Don't leave trash. But as you can see, the main tracks are here. They just kind of filled in with gravel. Okay, so I don't know if it really goes that far, guys. We'll keep going. A lot of squirrels and birds here. See what I mean? Birds and squirrels. These suckers are everywhere. Damn, guys. I'm not trying to attack you. Just stay where you are. They're like a person coming. Get out of here. I haven't walked that far. That's kind of cool. This tree right here. Check this out. One of the roots is right on the tracks. There's like grabbing onto the track. Now you got this nice little platform here. That's kind of cool looking. Look at that. I don't think it looks like they still got a trail that goes this way. Yep, and this is just a turnaround spot, I take it. Spot to park. Pretty cool. Alright, buddy. If I find anything else, you know, I'll take a video, put it up. Meet you guys, like, peace. Make sure and subscribe. Alright, guys, well, the last part of that short line trail, it has different sections. Where 695 is, I had to hop back in my car, drive across 695, so I parked here. Trail goes that way. But guys, check this out, kind of cool. Make sure no cars are here because it is a live road. tracks. So we'll go check it out. Heritage Trails, Short Line Trail. So, see if there's anything behind it. Just north of the highway. The train tracks would have went across here and it would have been at that other area I was at. You.